Good day, folks. Here we are again today, Northern Grower Life. Yeah. Current flower situation is just this one plant. The other two growing in the veg tent are ready to come in, do you know? So I have to rearrange back here and get the other tree in. Just wanted to give you guys an update on this one. She's, buds are bulking up nicely. Let's see if we can get up close up. Alright, so they're filling in. I'd say another week and a half to 2 weeks. Anyhow, today's watering day. She's a wee bit thirsty. I'm just going to use this dechlorinated tap water. It's registering at 7, according to my new pH meter. So, that's, as far as I'm concerned, for plain watering, that's within range. 7 is still neutral. Most of your professional growing mixes like Pro Mix are they have a buffer in there. Usually add a little bit of lime or whatever to the mix to keep it buffered at 7. So as long as your water isn't too far out of whack, it's really not going to hurt much. Since I bent over the tops, super crossing, these lower buds are filling in rather nice. They're getting a little bit more dry. I'm gonna wait another week and then do a little bit of defoliation. Some of these crunchy leaves can go. Okay, one more scoop. That should do it. Yeah, she's leaking out the sides of the pot, so. Most of it's sinking in. Okay. Should definitely, after I turn the power down, the stress stopped anyway. Burning the leaves kind of stopped at that point, and the leaf discoloration greened up a bit. Newer growth is, looking better. So I know better for this next round with these next two that are going in. And I'm gonna have to par levels a little bit lower. Just let me grab this lid here. Yeah, let's go over and take a look at the vid. I got some more of the prep work done for the sip yesterday. Some more of the cloth and stuff cut. Everything is pretty much ready to go. I'm trying to get these cans open today so I can do the PVC elbow on the bulkhead getting at the bottom. Let's see how these are looking. I did a little defoliation earlier. Took some of the bigger fan leaves out so that these side branches could get direct light. They are bushing out nicely. Let's see. March 10th, 9 days. And we are at April the 1st today, right? Still on February. Oh yeah. March 10th was the last day I registered. And we are at I'm not sure what day we're at now. I'm gonna have to do some calculating. I should have had it all figured out before I did the video. Anyhow, they're looking good. And they're getting switched over. Thrown into the flower tent. And that way I can get this puppy set up. I gotta get the pepper and tomato plants going this week. All of a sudden I'm under the gun. Anyhow, that's your update for today. Thank you very much if you've watched this far. It's really nice to have you along for the ride. Like and subscribe if you like the content, and have a great day.